welcome. I'm just about to record for you a short summary of our Improvers Solo Rumba routine number 2. So this was taught in our online class live on Zoom on Monday the 4th of April 2022. So if you're in the full video library in my website and you're looking for the full class, it was a 90-minute class combined with a quick step session as well. So 4th of April 2022. I'm going to turn around, face the front. It's only a short routine. We're working more on foot placement and technique rather than too many steps. So we're going to start with an open basic. That's an inline basic. Imagine you're on a tightrope. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. We then face the left wall, right foot for a New Yorker. 2, 3, 4. Right wall with the left foot for a spot turn. 2, 3, 4. Hand to hand. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And 2, 3, 4. Instead of a fourth hand to hand, I exited with a spiral. So weight is on the right foot, pushing onto that pivot, 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 leaving the left foot where it was, letting the legs wrap around, walk out on the next bar, 2, 3, 4, and I closed. Let's do the whole of that section again. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. You can add some arms, big arms, optional. 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. Something I mentioned in the full class was actually adapting the hand to hand and making a smaller pivot in the middle, which would be similar to how we do our openings out with our partner. And this meant pivoting on one spot. So instead of opening to an A-frame, stepping back and then A-frame, closing the feet. 2, 3, 4, pivot. 2, 3, pivot. 2, 3, pivot. So really working the feet into the floor, making sure that we're pushing, and we're going to try and get those ankles nice and tight, close together, really accurate footwork. So this will help with your balance and accuracy. Optional, okay? So it's not the exact hand-to-hand footwork, it's more about what we do in our opening out, but it was an option that I added in for everyone. Now, section 2. Section 2 from here, alternative basic. So I'm going to go right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Okay, so that's the alternative basic. The next section after that was a natural top. And this time we added in full rotation. In our previous lessons, we had not condensed the rotation to the exact way that it should be done properly in the ballroom. We had done it with under rotation to stop people from going dizzy, but today we actually went for the correct rotation. So we went back, anchoring into the spot, using the head for a little bit of spotting. There we go. So that was our natural top. Remember, 4 bars, back, basic, entry step, 3 bars for the walking round. We then finished with a hip twist to a fan and an Alemana turn. Now that has come more from our earlier classes. I didn't recap over that too much because it was a step that everyone had been doing for some time. Let me put all of those sections together very slowly for you. We started with 2 open basics. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. New Yorker. 2, 3, 4. Spot turn. 2, 3, 4. Hand to hand for 3. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Step out for the spiral, and then walk, walk, close. Alternative basic. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. Preparation for our natural top. 2, 3, 4 as on the ladies' timing. And 2, 3, 4. Hip twist to fan. Walking it out. Close. And Alemana turn at the end. There we go, guys. If you're watching in my paid library, in my website, then you should be able to find everything else from the earlier classes in the playlist. Just look backwards through the dates. And if you're watching this on YouTube, then anything that you need will be in the link and the description below. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. This was Improvers Solo, the Rumba routine number 2, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.